Morning everyone. Today we are here to talk about Google Trends. What exactly is Google Trends and how it can be of help to all the business houses. Google Trends is usually used to find the popularity of a search term in Google as such. It also gives you insights as to whether that trend is on the rise or it is declining as such. Google Trends also shows you the demographic insights as well as related terms for the key phrase you're looking to research for. Google Trends is great if you're looking to find a niche market. Whenever you're looking for a new niche, you want to make sure that you actually change the range from past 12 months to, let's say, a couple of years back, and it will give you all the trends related to that niche or that key phrase. Along with that, it will give you some insights as to what the related terms should be. In the attached graphs, you can actually see how Google Trends works and what sort of data it does depict for you to make a logical decision. As already conveyed, apart from demographic inputs, it also gives you inputs regarding related search queries. In this example, we are taking a case of, let's say, fake eyelashes, and you can see that the data also shows related terms to that search query. Google Trend also helps you to do a detailed keyword search because it shows you the trends for those search terms, and apart from those trends, it also shows you related key terms which can be included part of the SEO campaign. On the homepage of Google Trends, you'll be able to find out trending searches which can help you to devise your content management strategy. Google Trend can also help you to find out the trend for a particular key phrase based upon the targeted region. For example, let's say the festive season is around the corner and we are trying to look or promote a business related to lights and lighting equipment as such. You can actually find out the trend for those key terms when you compare different regions. For example, you compare the light terms for India and then you compare the light terms for Pakistan. It will give you a trend which is either declining or on the rise. Google Trends also helps you to spy upon your competition as such. It gives you detailed inputs as to how the competitor is performing for your trending key phrases. Just to showcase an example, we have tried to compare Marvel Comics and DC Comics, and the trends have been picked up since 2004. These gives you better insight as to what is happening with those search terms. By using Google Trends, you can actually pinpoint the search terms or the niche you wish to target and then optimize your SEO campaigns accordingly. In case you want to set up a new niche or want to spy upon your competitors, please feel free to get in touch with us and we'll be more than happy to help you out and provide a detailed input report using Google Trends. Hope the information we have shared today with you guys is of help. Please feel free to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.